Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account. It's very easy to do. First go to stripe.com and log into your account with your login credentials. After login from the home page, you will see a bunch of options here. Then select balances from here. Then after selecting balance, you will see your balance here. You will see your net balance, your incoming balance here, outgoing balance here. Then what you have to do is you will see an option automatically send daily. Just click on it. Then you will see your bank details here. If you want to change it, just go here, just select the three dot icon from here, and you can edit your bank account details. You can also change your payout schedule and payout speed. Then you can if you go back to balances, then you can also see your payouts. Just select where are my payouts, and you will see your transfers where you send or withdraw money. You can, if you click on this, you will see more details from here. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Stripe to your bank account.